See here, this is TinkerCAD. We'll be dividing it into two parts. Just like we did in the normal editing one. First one I'll do it in TinkerCAD. Second one, we'll do it practical. Aren't you excited? Okay. Here, if you're excited, then you better be. Okay, see here. We got a new blank screen. Here, that is the blank screen of TinkerCAD. Okay. So, now what we are going to do is, we are going to build a circle. First, we have to get a breadboard or Arduino. Give me check the size because both breadboards and Arduinos are large. See? Oh. Okay. Next, we need a LED. We need a resistor. Let's rotate it. Oh. Done now. You just have to do the connection. This resistor other terminal goes to ground, and any pin number you want the LED and I'm choosing 4. And let's do the code. Oh, this is the code. Okay, so let me just delete all of this and let's do it again. Set pin number 4 to high is this one. Then we have to wait for 1 second. Then we have to do set pin number 5 to high. Yeah. Low.
5 or 4.
And wait 1 second. Okay. So let's see if it works or not. Wait. Okay. Let's see the code. There's a code problem. Oh, I figured out. Set number 5. It's pin number 4. Let's just correct that. Now we have done it. Let's try to change it. First we have to check it out if it works or not. If it works, then good. It's working. Okay. Now let's try to change the time. Why don't we do this 5 seconds and this 6,400 milliseconds. You might be surprised to hear that, but we'll just try. Not second, millisecond. And I think this can be 9,999 milliseconds. Haha. Millisecond. Done. Now let's see. How much time it will go? It will take probably 9 seconds. I hope. It's 9. And for 6 seconds, this will. Oh, not for 6 seconds. For 7 seconds. This is kind of confusing. Let's change the time again. First, let's do the. Okay. Let's change the time. What about 10,460? Yes, let's do that.
Don't do that. It take too much time.
Let's do this the last of one, and this will be 800. Is that okay? I think so. Let's see. That 10,600. Let's see. That will take 10 seconds. You have to wait. Done. Now let's just change the heading, and then the video is over. Let's just change. The heading will be blinking LED with RD. I'll just write it. Blink and LED with and RD. I know there's a mistake because R is also capital. But I just correct that in soon. I hope you like this video. Please help my video to become more popular by like and sharing it with your friends and family. And if you want to see more of my videos, all you have to do is click on the red button with a subscribe word written on it. So until the next video, bye.